Perez already up alongside his teammate down there into turn one, and Hamilton having a little look.
It's missing a wing, yeah. It's just like a one-wing pelican, I think so.
Oh, he got a little
Oh,
plate.
he got a piece. What? He's getting some. Yes, there you go.
You have branches over there, dude.
Nah, he got a big old chunk. Hey everyone, I just wanted to pop into the middle of this video. I hope you are liking it so far, and just do a quick little birthday haul of all the very sweet gifts that I got from my friends and family. As you can see behind me, I have put a couple of them there. I think the first thing I want to show is this cool little reader stand. So basically you just pop this part back and then you just kind of level it to whatever height that you need it to be, and it's to hold books. It could probably hold also like music books as well. I can't pull the prongs up because they're a little stuck, but my mom thrifted this for me and I love it. She also thrifted me this beauty. It is a little cat planter. At first my boyfriend thought it was a shoe, and I do agree this would look really cool as a shoe, but it's just like a little ceramic cat planter and I absolutely love it. She also got me this. It's just like a gold foil rainbow pouch. It's actually quite large. I feel like it could fit a lot. It would be a good like travel makeup bag. It has a cute little pom-pom as well. I think my mom might have thrifted this, but this is one of the things my dad gave me. And it's just this really pretty, I keep wanting to call it a cutting board. It's specifically to put like cheese, crackers, just random snack plate, but I really like how it looks. Maybe I'll take some cool photos with it too. Some art later on. I don't know. I just think this is really pretty. My mom has a subscription to Grove and she saw that they had like a spring collection, so she got me this. It's called a catch-all tray, but I think typically people would put like soaps and stuff on it. And she also got me the matching washcloth or like towel for it for your kitchen, which is really nice. We actually needed another one because our other ones are a little bit old and get dirty very quickly. And then she also got us a bunch of this rose scented hand soap, spray, all that. I think it's called Myers, but it's genuinely the most accurate rose scented thing I've ever smelled that's not just straight up a rose. And if you love the smell of roses, I would definitely look into it because it is like the best smelling thing ever. Another thing my dad got me was these right here. They have, I think it's supposed to be like fake moss or whatever in it, but these are actually hanging planters, so you can put succulents in them, whatever, and then hang them up. I've never had anything like this, but I am excited to maybe put them out on the patio just to make it a little cuter. And I don't play a lot of video games, but I do have a Switch Lite, and one of the few games that I have played that I really liked was Animal Crossing. I know I probably seem like the type of person to play Animal Crossing. I get told that all the time, but I got this finally. The case that I do have is just the regular gray one, but I wanted something a little bit cuter and I'm very in love with it. I've wanted this literally since the Animal Crossing New Horizons came out, so I finally have this. I'm very excited. This was from my brother, if I didn't already say that, so thank you. And then another thing that my mom thrifted me is this really beautifully painted Otagiri mug. I've already used it a couple times, but I cannot resist anything that has otters on it for sure. And baby is so cute. So thank you. We just hung out with our friends last night and they got me this cute little like meteor plant thing. You're just supposed to mist it. I think it's just another like type of succulent. But I've never had anything like this and it looks really cool. You can have it just by itself. It does have a flat bottom. But I like how it looks with the stand. It looks very unique, so thanks guys. I bought this for myself. I have never had any type of orchid, so I just got like this little kind of baby one. It looks bigger in the camera than it really is. It's pretty small, and I love it. I love the the purple accents in them. There were a few different color ones, like ones that had a lot of purple. I actually saw only one that had yellow and then purple in the middle, which I thought looked really cool. But I kind of liked how this one was curved and the other one was pretty straight up and a little more just kind of chaotic, and I wanted something a little more trimmed back, so I got this. These following things I did also get myself, but my boyfriend and I went to the crystal store together to just go look around, find some cool stuff. We got quite a few different things. The first one is Apatite. I thought it looked like the ocean. I thought that was really cool. And then we have Fluorite. The purple isn't super apparent, but when light directly hits it, it's super green, and then when it's dark, it's just way more purple, and I just thought that was cool. And this was the only one that was like that too, which I thought was interesting. We have 2 pieces actually of Dragon's Blood Jasper. I'm looking down at the little note cards for them that kind of just describe what each one means, but this one is a moon pendant, and each side is also really different. So you can see there's more green on this side, and then this one is a cat of it. You can see this little face, how cute. My boyfriend actually did pick that one out for me, which was very sweet. And then I have a Howlite cat as well, which I picked out at literally the same time that he was picking out the other cat, so it seemed kind of like fate. This is Ocean Jasper, which again reminds me of the ocean, and it's really just like a nice kind of handheld stone. It's very, very smooth, so it's nice to kind of fidget with. And then I got 2 bracelets. I actually got 3 bracelets. I got 2 carnelian bracelets, one for me and one for my mom, just because I kind of liked the messaging and I thought that would be nice. And they were the only 2 left, which was also really interesting. And then I got Tiger's Eye. They didn't have the pendant that I wanted anymore, like in the exact setting. Everything in that store changes very frequently, which is really cool because they're constantly making new stuff, but every once in a while they just don't have the thing that I originally wanted, so I got this instead. My boyfriend also got me this. It is a piece of San Holo merch. It's from his Stay Vibrant collection. So there's a shirt, and then there's also this, another pouch. And also you can see the little Stay Vibrant logo there. Oh, and a cool thing about this shirt too is that it is printed, but a couple of the Stay Vibrant logos, or I'm saying Stay Vibrant, it's called Boost, like a % boost. Some of them are actually embroidered, which is really cool. And then I've already worn this as a like little bandana hairpiece on my actual birthday, but it is the yellow Boost bandana, and then around the edges it just says Stay Vibrant by San Holo, and then it has a bunch of those. And this is also printed onto there, so it feels very interesting. And I thought this was funny, but I just wanted to show you some of the cards that I got. My brother and my mom both got me cat related cards. You can see these are like puffed cats with glitter, and then this one is just ready to let's get this party started right meow. I'm gonna use this as my motto for the rest of the year. And then his girlfriend actually got me a Harry Potter themed one, and you can see it's all the Patronuses, and on the inside it also has the foil Patronuses, which is, oh, it's so pretty. I want to hang this up, honestly. It looks so cool. On that note, we are actually on to the final 2 gifts, which were both also from, oh no, one of them was from my brother's girlfriend, and then the other one is from my dad. As you can see, my dad got me a Niffler. His little coin is one-sided, unfortunately, but he does have a pouch, and he actually had this inside of it. This is what my brother's girlfriend got me. It is Hermione's Time Turner. It also has, if you've ever noticed, there's writing on the like rings on the outer part of the rings. So it has that, and then also the actual little, it's not focusing at all, the actual little sand moves, which is cool. And then the rings do turn as well. So I love it. I think I've wanted this literally since I was a child. So childhood wish, dream fulfilled. And then of course I have a new little buddy who will want to steal all of my jewelry. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you end up liking the rest of it as well. I think it's just like an overall monthly vlog that happens to include a lot of birthday stuff that I did.